Edo 2020. PDP don suspend their campaign for Uzairue and Auchi as dem carry campaign go Owan East to avoid attack wey APC dey plan for them. People's Democratic Party (PDP) tok am on Tuesday 11th August say dem don suspend their electioneering campaign for Uzairue and Auchi wey dey Isako West local government area of Edo State. Publicity Secretary for Edo PDP Chris Uzairue na im tok dis one, and im tok am on behalf of the party campaign council as e tok say dem receive information say leaders of All Progressives Congress (APC) don decide to attack members and supporters of PDP for Isako West local government area, and dat one na where the former national chairman of APC Adams Oshiomhole come from. Uzairue tok say dem take dis decision not because of say dem dey fear as a party, but because dem no wan expose thousands of their members and supporters wey dey dat part of Edo State to danger. He tok say their candidate wey be governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, na better leader wey like peace, and e dey take the safety of im people serious. The party publicity secretary say dem bin plan to go Uzairue and Auchi, but APC just release their campaign schedule and e sure say dem go dey there at the same time to carry out their attack on PDP supporters and members. E say dem hear say Esan people plus their traditional rulers drive APC campaign team comot for Esan land wey dey Edo Central Senatorial District on Monday 10th August 2020. But wetin dem no understand na why APC wan use frustration take attack PDP for Oshiomhole local government. Chris Uzairue tok say dis APC attack go make people know say e dey serious sotey APC know say dem no go win September 19 governorship election wey wan shele for Edo State, and na dis one wan make dem use violence on top the matter, because na so dem do for Kogi and other states, but Edo voters ready to come out with full force to defend their votes. E use the opportunity to take call on security agencies, electoral umpire, Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) and international community to pay more attention to Edo elections so that e go dey free, fair, transparent and credible. Dis one na the ogbonge informator we carry come give una on top inside Edo today, as Edo PDP campaign train don suspend campaign for Uzairue and Auchi to avoid the attack wey APC dey plan for them. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry dis ogbonge informate come give una. My name na Edogogo Edoleyi.